Okay, this time we are going to unbox the IBM PCjr connector for TV, which probably will never use. This says it connects to RF on channel 3 and 4, and this also says it was made in the United States. Does it? Oh no, it doesn't. It actually says Malaysia, Philippines, or Hong Kong. That's weird. The rest of the stuff all says made in the USA. Why would the TV thing be made elsewhere? Okay. All right. Your nondescript IBM box. And it is what you think it is. I figured this would look almost exactly like what you find on a old video game console from back in the day, a big old RF box. That actually, you can't connect this to a modern TV without some adapters, because TVs don't have these anymore. You'd need something to convert this to coax, regular coax. There's your go back and forth. For some reason this is kind of a gradual switch. It's not a click click. Channel select. And big reason to get this, a proprietary connector from IBM, like everything on this computer. And a manual. Hole punch to go in your handy binder. And must be a drying agent. Wow, that's smells old too. Alright, well that's it for the TV connector. Don't forget to subscribe.